Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches, and the back bumper is good as well. So let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. There are no scratches or dents on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door are perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender is in excellent condition. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, the door panel looks spotless. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Everything looks good in the front seat. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. Now we're going to take a look at the third row seats and make sure everything back here is fine. Perfect. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat looks good. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel is spotless. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the buttons on the steering wheel are in good condition. Okay, so the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.